Okay, moving on. Logical operators. Working with conditionals means that we will be using booleans, true or false values. In JavaScript, these operators that work with boolean values known as logical operators. We can use logical operators to add more sophisticated logic to our conditionals. There are three logical operators: the AND operator, the OR operator, the NOT operator, otherwise known as the BANG operator. When we use the AND operator, we are checking that two strings are true. If stoplight is equal to green and pedestrians is equal to 0, console.log go, else console.log stop. So when using the AND operator, both conditions must evaluate to true for the entire condition to evaluate to true and execute. Otherwise, if either condition is false, the AND condition will evaluate to false and the else block will execute. If we only care about either condition being true, we can use the OR operator, which is if day is equal to Saturday or day is equal to Sunday, console.log enjoy the weekend, else console.log do some work. When using the OR operator, only one of the conditions must evaluate to true for the overall statement to evaluate to true. In the code example above, if either day equals to Saturday or day is equal to Sunday evaluates to true, the ifs condition will evaluate to true and its code block will execute. If the first condition in an OR statement evaluates to true, the second condition won't even be checked. Only if day is equal to Saturday evaluates to false will day equal to Sunday be evaluated. The code in the else statement above will execute only if both comparisons evaluate to false. The exclamation not operator reverses or negates the value of a boolean. Let excited equal true, console.log not excited, as shown in the previous exercise. Let sleepy equal false, console.log not sleepy. Essentially, the not operator will either take a true value and pass back false, or it will take a false value and pass back true. Logical operators are often used in conditional statements to add another layer of logic to our code. Instructions in main.js, there are two variables, mood and tiredness level. Let's create an if-else statement that checks if mood is sleepy and tiredness level is greater than 8. If both conditions evaluate to true, then console.log the string time to sleep. Otherwise, we should console.log not bedtime yet. After you press run, play around with the OR operator and the NOT operator. What happens if you negate the value of the entire statement with NOT and switch to OR instead of AND? Okay, so alright, so we're going to start off with the if-else statement. As you can see, the variables have already been created for us. Alright, so if mood is sleepy, so if mood is equal to sleepy, tiredness level and variables mood and sleepy. Let's create the and tiredness level is greater than 8. And we're going to go ahead and console log string time to sleep. Else console.log whoops Okay, as you can see, the output is not bedtime yet because it evaluates to false or not true. So if mood is equal to sleepy and tiredness level is greater than 8, which it's not because tiredness level is equal to 6, let moody is equal to sleepy, but the second condition is false within the parenthesis, or the second parameter of the condition is false. So that's why it pushes out the false else console.log. Okay, so for instance, if I were to change this variable to 8, or let's just say 9, because it says not greater than equal to, it says greater than 8. So if you guys are wondering, oh, if I set this to 8, then both of these conditions are true. No, that's incorrect. It's still not bedtime yet. It's not equal to, if you set it to 9, yes, then it will change the statement. As you can see, time to sleep. That's the console.log that it throws out. Right, so like, let's do something else. Let's, for instance, say, let's negate the whole condition. So now we've negated the whole condition. As you can see, if not mood equals sleepy and tiredness level is greater than 8, then else console.log not bedtime. And there, as you can see, it logs the not bedtime string. All right, guys, let's move on.